Happy 60th birthday, ate. Wish you sa'yo, syempre, good health, happiness, peace of mind, and more birthdays to come. Hope sa next birthday mo uwi kami dyan. Love you from Mallorca family.
Hello? Marhay na hapon sa Indogabos. Today we are celebrating the 60th birthday of my very own niece, Nene Nieves Zorilia Amor Gozo, the firstborn of Kuya Baling, and my late beloved sister Ninita. Manang, miss you so much. The school principal of San Vicente Elementary School. Nini, cheers for your 60 years of existence and be thankful to God for the gift of life. Wishing you a healthy year, 100 years more to live. Enjoy this very memorable day which your family prepares for, with co-educator, friends, and relatives. My best gift for you is prayer, that our Almighty Father grants all your heart desires, especially your good health and the success of your daughters, Ma'am Len, Ma'am Shane, Bonso Ail, and surely your hubby Willie. Happy and blessed 60th birthday, Nene. I love you. Sa Indogabos, mga kapamilya dyan sa Bulan, Sorsogon, miss you. Hugs, and God bless everyone. Bye-bye.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Nieves. Stay healthy, pretty, and sexy. We love you from Mallorca family.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. I love you and thank you so much.